Today I'm transferring my GitBook websites from GitHub sync to GitLab sync. GitLab is an alternative platform to GitHub. GitHub is owned and controlled by Microsoft and has been undergoing a whole host of slopification recently. Okay, so let's start off by going to the integrations panel here on the side in GitBook, and we're going to scroll down and look for GitLab sync. Right here we've got Git sync, so my GitHub sync is already set up. GitLab sync, let's press install, and we're going to install it on every space. So as you can see over here, I have multiple spaces for each of my linguistics related sites. Let's click install here. Okay, so it's now installed on all of them. I have 6 spaces. There's actually a 7th one that I haven't added onto the website yet. So let's start with the main one, my linguistics home panel. So if we click edit configuration, I'm going to paste in here my GitLab access token. You can research how to do that. It's quite easy to make. Click authenticate. Okay, and then under here we're going to have the project. So I've got a whole bunch of projects. Here's my GitBook linguistics project. Now that's only listed there because I've already imported it a few months ago, but I haven't set up the sync already, so we're just going to connect to that instance. Select branch. Not sure what it's doing. There we go. Okay, so it's actually empty. I just imported the project by the title, so we're going to make a new branch and call it main. The branch doesn't really matter as long as you're using the same as whatever you've already got in there, and if you've got nothing in there, then call it what you want. Typical names are main or master. Monorepo allows you to synchronize multiple GitBook spaces, which are like subsites, into the same Git repository. So in my existing one over on GitHub, I've got them all in here. There's only 5 of them there plus the extra one. So which one are we doing here? We're doing the linguistics home site, aren't we? So let's give it the same name actually. Alright, and then put that in there. We don't need to change this. Now this is the really important part, okay? Initial sync. If you leave it on GitLab to GitBook, that's going to synchronize an empty or out of date repository to GitBook, and it will overwrite what you've got on GitBook. You can roll that back, but it's not a fun process. Most likely your GitBook is the more up-to-date version. If it's not, then you need to go and deal with that yourself somehow. But most likely GitBook is your latest version, so just click GitBook to GitLab and then press sync here, and it should synchronize over immediately. So let's go to my GitLab website. Okay, I'm going to go into projects, and if it hasn't arrived already, it should arrive in a moment. Let me see. Fluid linguistics. Just now, there you go. Can you see? Don't know if it's big enough actually. Just now, it's just synchronized a few moments ago. There you go. That's how to do it.